Any condition survey and recording in an existing building should start by carrying out an accurate measure survey and describing the building within its setting, defining its date of construction and history. We should also identify and record important information such as the heating, ventilation, water supply and drainage of the building, current and original. The occupation and use of the building is another important aspect to consider. There are two main references concerning glossaries, the International ICOMOS and the Italian Normal. These glossaries try to standardize the terminology, but based on the empirics of the pathology rather than on its causes. Allow monitoring over an extended period of time, especially concerning DAP issues. Identify areas where further investigation is required. Pathologies should be photographically recorded and also represented graphically for full definition. This graphical representation is very important for an appropriate analysis and diagnosis of the causes of deterioration. It also informs the design of the intervention. The drawing should include the pathology's current condition and causes of decay when known. They should also include areas where further investigation, testing, or sampling is required. As the ultimate purpose is the conservation of the building, its representation should not only be for documentation purposes but also tools for analysis and interpretation of the building and its condition. It is also important to record any defect detected, such as incorrect stone bedding.